All right, guys, doing some more ACT math prep today. We're going to give you two questions. We're going to give you their answer. We're going to do each of these in less than 60 seconds because you get 1 minute per question on average on the ACT math section. All right, but before we do that, I'm the math professor, Kyle Martin. And this is the channel where we're doing math homework fast and accurately. All right, so if you like this video, go ahead down below and hit the like button, and then also subscribe to this channel so we get you more ACT math prep in the future or any other homework concepts that you are struggling with. All right, but without further ado, put 60 seconds on the clock, start it right now. First one says, Ben got a job painting hospital rooms. He can paint 5 identical rooms in 6 hours. How long did it take to paint each room? Okay, so here, this is one of those where when they read the directions in the ACT, they say you can do it without a calculator. This is a perfect example of that type of question, because if it was 5 rooms in 5 hours, that would be 1 hour per room. Okay, but this is 5 rooms in 6 hours, so it's taking a little bit longer than an hour per room to do this. In fact, if it was going to be five rooms in 5 hours, that would be 1 hour per room. And now we have an extra hour. So we have to divvy this extra hour up, which is 60 minutes, divided by 5 rooms. So you can think 60 divided by 5, which is 12, and you get your answer 1 hour plus 12 more minutes. All right, question 2, 60 seconds on the clock, start it right now. This one, we have a graph, right? It goes from -2 to 2. So a closed dot here and an open dot there. That's going to be, I think, probably important. It says, which of the following inequalities represents or is represented by the graph? And we have A through E over here. So like I said, the dots I think are going to be important. When one is closed and one is open, I think we have to look for our signs. Remember, closed gets an equal to sign with it. This one's just going to have either a greater than or a less than, but not the equal to. And so I think we can narrow it down to either be B or C, right? Because this one has a less than or equal to and a less than, and this one has a less than and a less than or equal to. And so then you have to just match up the correct numbers. -2 has a closed dot, that's going to get the equal to. So I think this one, and the +2 is not going to have any of those. So yes, letter B. Don't worry about the absolute values. Those, when you solve for the absolute value inequalities, those have to have the same either open or closed dot. All right, guys, hopefully this video on the ACT prep helped you out. If it did, please like this video down below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. We'll see you in the next one.